Welcome! In this video, we'll introduce you to MoCapade, Meshcapade's markerless single camera motion capture tool. Let's jump in and bring your animations to life. Drag and drop your own file or choose from the sample videos below to get started. Choose whether your video shows one or multiple people. If there's more than one person in the video, select the multiple people option. For better accuracy, you can also add body shape details. You can rename the motion if needed before moving on. Once you hit Create Avatar, the video will process automatically. You can leave the site open or return later, as your results will be saved in the vault.